Hey guys, today we're just fishing North Esk River, well, and some other rivers as well. This will be a mix of fishing just around the northern Tasmania area, but no, just gonna see if we can get on 20. Just gonna be using the Huey Spotty Dog and a few other lures as well, but yeah, get back to you when I'm fishing. There's a nice little brown. Come close up, come on. There's a nice little brown, guys. What was that? Second, third cast. Here's a nice little one for the first one of the day. That's on a Huey Spotty Dog. It's always works great up in the high North Esk. But we'll get him untangled a bit. That's a nice little brown. He's only a tiny little fish, so we'll get him back. Little brown trout. Nice couple colours. Get the hook out. Isn't that a nice one? That's just on the Huey's Spotty Dog again. No, that's a beautiful fish. Here's another beautiful fish. What's that? 3 now. Isn't that awesome? Have a look at that nice fish. No, look at that, beautiful colour again. Probably the nicest one of the day. Same lure, a Huey Spotty Dog, but get the hook out. There you go, straight downstream. Good fish. Yeah. His biggest one of the day. Here's a beautiful fish, guys. Look at that. That's a good one. We'll keep him as well. There's another nice one. Oh, beauty. Another beautiful fish. That's 9. Wow. I'll get him out of the net. Oh, wow. We'll keep him. Beautiful again. Wow. Oh my god. Awesome fish. Kiwi spotty dog producers as always. Beautiful. Surprised there's not a few little fish in this creek.
I'm scared.
Take your time. This is your biggest trout by far.
That's too light.
Mackay's onto a good one. He just got it on some power bait. Right, bring it up more if you can.
Oh my!
High five. An awesome fish,
my
Mackay.
God. Alright, get that to the boat.
Look at that from Mackay, his biggest one. There's Mackay's awesome fish, his new PB. That's a 5 pound brown trout. No, so happy for him, man.
Yeah, me too.
Just on a Huey's lure. Look at that, everyone. It's a nice tiger trout. Oh, shoot, I hope I don't get hooked. I put my hand behind the hook. That's a beautiful tiger. I'll get in the sun for a bit of colour on him. Look at that. Nah, awesome fish. Had a lot of fight. But look at the coloration. Like the bright red. Like blood red almost. And then like awesome mouth. But there's the lure. No, awesome fish. I'm standing there. Look at that, guys. Massive tree. All the way up there.
There's a big burrow in
There's Mackay. And that's the tree. What the hell?
It still goes up. Like
Does it actually?
Yeah.
I'm coming in. There's a burrow in there.
Little burrow.
Look up here. Goes all the way up.
That is so cool.
That's awesome. Look at all the cobwebs. Nice fish, guys. Got that nice little brown trout here on the Huey's black and gold. Just that little there. Just there's all the fish there, got it, guys. But no, absolutely awesome day. Very windy. Like, beautiful spot to fish. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you in other videos. See yous.